Okay, now in this worksheet, well, we have our number of different employees all listed here, and they all have a badge number. Now the problem is that for some reason, a number of the badge numbers became duplicated. And what we want to do is target those duplicate badge numbers and put a different number in. Now, one way of doing this to be able to identify them quicker, we could maybe sort by the badge number, but we don't want to do it that way. We want to make it so where, and then by sorting it by that, then it'll come into groups. But I want to keep the names in order here, so I can just kind of look at the name and look at if it does have a duplicate status to it, then to very quickly I'll go in there and change the number and then update it on my other system or whatever I've got. But my point is that I don't want to sort these. I just want to target which ones are duplicates and deal with them. So all you have to do is you click on to any one of the cells here, first one there, and we will do a Control Shift down, and that will highlight all the way down to the bottom there. And then what we can do is go ahead to the conditional formatting, go to the highlight cell rules, and then tell it duplicate values. So we click onto that. We'll leave it as red, that's fine. And now what we can do is we can say, okay, here's Chipster Rose. So we'll give him a new number. We'll give him, let's say, 70000, hit the enter key, and now because there's no red, we know that there's no other person in there that has that same badge number. And we would just continuously work our way down. We go this one here, maybe type in that number, all right, and so on and so forth. All right, go to this one here, type in another number. And you just do that all the way down, and that's pretty much it. And hopefully you enjoyed this very short video, but I think it'll come in handy for a lot of you for certain situations there. So appreciate you watching.